No, let's drive into the storm.
Let's do this. Jesus
We're
Christ.
safe with running.
Dad, if I die, I'm gonna...
I don't think it works that way.
I want to make sure they're not damaging the vehicle.
What?
I don't know who these people are.
Let's just go and keep going into the storm. It's okay.
Well, you can see where the cloud crests up right here. That's the edge.
This is wild. Look at we're in it right now. So let's we're not in it yet.
Now, and it's over there.
What's that?
Like you can see
It
the...
begins here.
You see the puffy cloud? That's where...
Just worked all the way. When we start to hear thunder, I'll start moving.
It's already in front of you.
I
I
saw
just see
lightning.
the strikes.
That solar panel could give you a couple. I think it's 78 power
You're gonna lose power.
And I missed it again. This is no fun.
Here, I'm gonna stand in the middle of the runway. The golf club.
And die.
No, it's golf club.
And die. If you
No.
play golf in a lightning storm, you'll die.
I'm pretty sure you won't. I'm pretty sure. I've done it before. I'd rather would not get rid of it.
Tell you do. Cool tattoo.
See, look at the camera. Look how there's landing.
Now we're in it. See, this is we're in it
We're
right
not
now.
in it. Rye Beach is getting their butts kicked. We're not in it.
No, like this is where the storm is. You can see where the clouds end. We're
It feels better already, though, as far as the temperature.
I'm not a fan.
Physically, it's cooler, drier air, so the humidity is good. This is the beginning of the end of the already cooler, because the reason it's